Hi everybody. I was in Walgreens down the street to get my card fix real fast and grab a couple packs, and I saw these boxes. Championship Collection, 3 factory sealed packs, 1 factory sealed fat pack, and 30 assorted cards. So I was intrigued. I figured I'd just give one a shot and see what happens. Not expecting much, but it'll be fun to check it out anyway. Be cool to get one of those cards right there on the front, but I'm not gonna hold my breath. Let's just jump right into it. See how it goes. So I've never opened one of these. I know they make all these like random products, blind box things like this now. And I typically stay away from them, but let's see. Topps Baseball 2021 update. Topps 2022 Series 1. Man, cannot get away from that product at all. Series 1 Fat Pack. Allen and Ginter 2021. And this must be 30 random cards. So, I guess regular old Topps and Allen Ginter is their championship collection. I was kind of surprised. I was really expecting to see some kind of old junk wax era packs in here. But, at any rate, let's just open them. Allen and Ginter. I know people love this. Some people love this product because it's kind of quirky. I think that's why I don't like it so much. I don't really buy these. But let's just check it out. See what I get. That's why. I don't even know who that is, to be honest with you. Say UFC. I don't follow it at all. Peter Yan. I don't know. Oh, well, that's cool. And Ian Anderson, I'm a Braves fan. Mini rookie card. And a parrot. Blue and gold macaw, birds of a feather. I don't get it. I know people like this stuff, but I don't know. And Ernie Banks. That's cool. And to make sure I didn't steal this pack, the anti-theft device. Looks like a solid Gem 10, honestly. All right. So I'll throw my tiny little Ian Anderson in the sleeve. That'll go into my personal collection. All right, what next? Let's just go with the regular old Topps Baseball Series 1. I'm assuming it's just a retail pack. Let's just open her up. Acuna on the back. He's coming back tonight. Braves just activated him. So I'm pumped. Riley Adams, rookie. Austin Riley. Ronnie Dawson, rookie. Gibson. Nick Solak, Will Smith. CD's Escobar. Wear a cup next time, buddy. Leading off on first is dangerous business. Who saw that? If anybody watches this video and you actually saw that, that was hilarious, wasn't it? Pete Alonso getting hit in the ear hole. Drew Ellis. And this is a Ernie Banks die cut. And a Ronald Acuna, stars of the MLB. Ernie is not numbered or anything like that. So it's kind of cool. Now let's do the 2021 update. Cody Petit, Matt Rosario, Keegan Thompson, Gregory Santos, rookie debut, Dylan Carlson. That's kind of cool. Getting rookie cards, Tyson Miller, Taylor Trammell, Mariners, Trevor Rogers, rookie, Juan Soto. Insert of some sort. I'll check that out in a second. I didn't buy any of these last year, so I'm not sure what that is. NL Beasts. Acuna and Jazz Chisholm. Gotta say, Jazz Chisholm, I like that guy. He just tore us up. But rookie combos. All right. Check out this Soto. No idea. I am a big fan of Juan Soto as well, though. Seems like I end up being a huge fan of the NL East Stars just because I see him so often. But, not so bad. Kind of cool. Let's open this 2022 Fat Pack and get that Wander Franco. Because the 1-of-1 was already pulled from a different Walgreens pack. So, maybe I can get a short print. That'd be great. All right. Let's get through this fatty. Blow through the base. The base. Yep. Rookie. It's like Yu Darvish. Rainbow. Fernando Tatis Jr. Greatest hits. Clayton Kershaw. Vlad. And I'm betting the rest are base. Base. None are backwards. So, yep, base. Well, all right. Now, these are the 30 assorted cards. Let's get a Mike Trout rookie out of here. What do you think? I doubt it. The same. If they're 2022 tops, I'm going to be pissed. Oh, they're not. All right. Maybe we'll get a Tatis out of here. No, maybe. I don't know. Here's Ozzy Albies. He's a future star. He is a star, in my opinion. Very cool card for a Braves collector like myself. Let's see. Waka, Tanaka, Sean Newcomb, Stephen Gonsalves, rookie. McGuire, Victor Robles, Eric Lauer, Ricky Henderson. That's the 35th anniversary. For like half a second, I thought that might have been an old card, but I was wrong. Still a big fan of Ricky, though. That guy used to be awesome. Mookie Betts. Boston Mookie Betts. 2 Mookie Betts in a row. Interesting. Like 2 different. This was like the Mookie series here. This is Mookie Betts 3 and Mookie Betts 8. What year are these from again? Yeah, 19. Yeah, kind of cool. Got an old home run challenge, Joey Votto. So, expired. Who dis? This is Franchise Feet, Sandy Koufax. Interesting. Cuevas. Rookie. Aaron Judge. Wellington Castillo. Austin Slater. And that's numbered. That's a gold. 2019. Interesting. And a Franchise Feet, Mike Piazza. So, like as far as monetary value, like most pack openings, it's probably not there. But, you know, I got a couple cards from a personal collection. And it was a fun little break. So anyway, that's what's inside the championship collection box at Walgreens. I don't know if they're all the same. If they are, I would avoid it. But I didn't get any of that stuff that was on the back there. Anyway, that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching me open it. And I'll catch you next time.